Hello everyone, my name is Bartek. You might know me from Threads. Basically, it will be on my Threads account. So I just wanted to show you my recent work and why the posts weren't so much like descriptive and they weren't so involved. So basically, that's because I was working on design of this website. It's a design for, well, not only a design, it's a whole working website. You can check it out in the link. It's a design and a website for my client. Their main job is basically repairing and renovating rims for cars and painting them and a lot of different services. The client came to me with the saying that he wants to get more clients. He said that clients know about him, but they he doesn't have a website, and they're like, they might know about him. He's working on the market for a long time, but they don't have a website. Why don't have a website? He wants some new clients. He wants to be seen in the Google. So I said, okay, let's do it. So this is the website that's basically its main purpose is to gather clients, right? So see all the services and to focus on gathering the clients and to focus on the calls and reactions from the clients, right? The form submissions, there's no form, but for example, sending the email or just calling. So here, as you can see, two call to action buttons. One is for the call and the second one is to see all of the services that they offer. Next one, we go down and we have all of the services listed. Well, not of all of them, but the 6 most important ones. We go further and we have years of experience, how many projects or rims they repaired already, and what's the percentage of happy clients. It's 100%. So a little bit about the history and realizations, what they do. Someone can see and say if they like it or they don't like it. Next, we have block section, block component, and we can see 3 recent posts. At the moment, there is only one. We are still working on the SEO. And next, we have opinion component, and here we have 3 opinions. With it, we have defined schema type for schema.org, and then at the end, we have frequently asked questions. It's also great for the SEO, and of course, there's a footer. So as I said, clients wants to gather leads and he wants people to call him and see him. So the great thing is that the domain client already had it for a long time. So the domain was on the internet, he had some moves in it, and it already had some strength defined, and it has a lot of backlinks from local websites where they show different businesses in their area with different opinions and this kind of stuff. So it has backlinks. And here we also created 2 sub pages. There will be more for local cities around the main one, where you could see it's landings for these cities. It will gather more searches in the Google, more keywords, and they are different in the content that is inside of them, so they are not the same and Google doesn't see them as a duplicate. There are different photos and different texts, and it's great for gathering clients from different areas, because clients said that even though he's working in one city, there are people who are coming to do the job at his place because he's great, and I'll show it to you right now. So that's the main page, and the landings look pretty similar but with less sections, without the history, only the main realizations and maybe some photos. It's much more focused on calls, less of a presentation. Next we go. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have the realization subpage, what services they do, colors, blog posts, and contact page. So right here we can check out, for example, realizations. It's a great way to show off what you're doing. So here we have the before and after pictures, and we have it's for I forgot what it is in English. It's polishing. Yeah, it's polishing the rims. What else do we have? As you can see, it works great. They are divided by categories. On PC it looks a little bit different, and this whole website was made with Next.js and Sanity.io for the CMS. and it is hosted on Versal. So it has server-side rendering, and it's working pretty fast. And not only it works fast, it has the it has the CMS. So whenever my client wants to add something, it just does it from the Sanity, and it's really great solution. I love it because I can customize Sanity however I want, and he can add whatever he wants. So for example, here we have the component. He can pick a category, add it whenever he wants, and he can have it displayed here. It can be related to the services he offers, or or either the ones that he doesn't. It can be a little extra. So we can click, and we will see here that they are all the photos from the gallery pop up are divided by each service. That's something that I worked a little bit longer. So, and the same happens in the color subpage. It works in the same way. This is divided by different colors. And here also, when you click the gallery, you can see only the realizations from specific color. There's nothing more, only when you go to the specific color. It's better. My client suggested that. Before it was everything in one place, so you can just click through and see how it looks, but right now it's much better, and it took me some time, but it works great. So another sub-page, the services. It's another one worth showing. Here you have all of the services listed. They are also gathered from Sanity. They're also displayed on the main page. It's one data that is split between these many sub-pages, and each one of them has its own sub-page with all of the descriptions that it requires to be well seen in the search engines and to be descriptive. You can find whatever info you want. It's all on Google, and it's all in sitemap, which is also generated by Next. And there's two last sub pages that I wanted to show you. It's the blog component, blog sub page. At the moment, there is only one blog post. We'll add more to increase the SEO. We're in the middle of the campaign, and we have. I will show it even how I would show it to you how it looks. It looks like this. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. It looks nice. It works. It has links. It has valuable content. It's great. So we can go even further to the contact subpage. It's all the contact data from my client and a little Google map where he can be found. So that's all from this website. I'm really proud of this realization. It's one of the recent ones I made, and it really, it's like the accumulation of my work, how I learned about Next and server-side rendering, and how it can all be made, how to work with Sanity and manage this big data stuff, because there's a lot of data fetching, and I even created a template if there is no data locally, so there's always the back data inside if there is something typed wrong in the Sanity. This solution really works, and it works great. The website whole is crawled by all the Google bots that can be there, so it is being crawled. There is all the data, and it works wonderful. And it already got some views. So when we sum it up, it got views. The first day that I put it on Google, and like I woke up in the next morning and it had some 30-40 views, few clicks, and from the search query. And I'm really happy with the result, that it is growing naturally just from the website, and doesn't require an extra SEO action as creating as gathering backlinks and doing some other stuff. And I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really proud of this project. And that's it. That's all that I wanted to show you, and I hope you like it, this quick overview. Well, it already taken 10 minutes, but I hope you will like it and watch it whole. So that's it. You can check the website and the description. You'll have the link there. And one more component, this is the breadcrumbs. You can also check it out. It's on my GitHub repository. You'll have it and the link below. So thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day, evening, or night, whatever. Hope you're doing well. Bye.